In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Photoshop Image Processor from Adobe Bridge. This tool is incredibly useful when you have multiple images to process and want to automate some of the tasks, saving you time and effort. So, let's walk through the entire process together. First, start by opening Adobe Bridge. This is where you'll choose the images that you want to work with. Navigate through your folders and select the thumbnails of the images, or even an entire folder if you have a batch that you need to process. Selecting the right files is crucial because this determines what you will be editing and processing in Photoshop. Once you've made your selection in Bridge, direct your attention to the top menu. Click on Tools, then scroll down to Photoshop. From there, select Image Processor. This command bridges the gap, no pun intended, between Bridge and Photoshop, opening the Image Processor dialog in Photoshop itself. Now that you've launched the Image Processor dialog in Photoshop, let's dive into the settings. This dialog is where you'll need to configure exactly how you want your images to be processed. Fortunately, the images you selected in Bridge will already be preloaded, so that's one less thing to worry about. Next, determine where you want to save the processed files. You'll see options for selecting a different folder if you don't want them saved in the same location as the original images. It's advisable to save them in a separate folder to avoid any confusion or overwriting of your original files. Be deliberate about this choice to keep your workflow organized. After deciding on the save location, it's time to choose the file type for your processed images. You can convert them to various formats, such as JPEG, PSD, or TIFF, depending on what your end use requires. JPEG might be best for web use, while PSD is excellent if you anticipate doing further editing in Photoshop. Once you've set your preferred options for image format and destination, you're ready for the final step. Simply click the Run button. This action will kickstart the batch processing task according to your specified settings. Photoshop will take over from here, doing the heavy lifting as it systematically processes each image in line with your specifications. And there you have it. The whole process allows you to efficiently manage large quantities of images without the need to edit each one manually. This not only maximizes your productivity, but also ensures consistency across your files. Whether you're working on professional projects or personal photographs, mastering this feature will undoubtedly streamline your editing workflow. Happy processing!